All right, so this is my Xfinity. This is my Infinity X1. And I'm going to show you guys how to get her started. There's a little button right here. Just press it. And bam, there's your light. Now, if I turn the head of this, the light will get smaller or larger. I'm going to walk over here so you guys can see it a little bit better. All right, so here I am, right? Now, watch what happens when I do this. So I'm turning this clockwise, and you're seeing the beam narrow. So look how narrow the beam comes. Now, if I turn it the opposite way, it opens it up. You follow me? And then if I click it, it should go off. Now I click it on, and then I click it again, it goes a little bit lower, then I click it again, it goes lower, then I click it, and then it comes back on. So you've got different settings. Let's narrow it down so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so now I'm on there, I click it, it goes to lower light and even lower light. And then click it again, it goes off. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Now if I push down and hold, it does that. Do you guys see that? Push down and hold for 3 seconds, and it should work now regularly. So if you get caught in that bouncing mode, you just press this for 3 seconds. And that's basically it. Down here is the charging ports on the bottom. You've got to keep it from spinning, but let me show you. So here is the out port. That would be to charge your phone. You could actually charge your phone from this battery. And this is the in port. This is where you would charge it. And you put a USB-C in there. And that's basically it. And then turn it like so. Hold this red part and then twist this black part. Just like that to open it. You see that? Just like that. And that's it, baby. That's it right there, man. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.